Annyeonghaseyo, princess.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, wala mo yung klase inday, no? Okay. So, I'm here to deliver your 1,500 pesos for you. Please receive. Okay, wala mo yung klase ron inday? Wala. Modular na karon, no? So, and that is from Donggok Junim. Okay.
Donggok Junim. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, annyeonghaseyo, princess.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, good morning. I'm here to deliver one choco pie for you. Okay, and that is from Hudang Nim.
Hudangnim. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, happy ra ka? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Melissa.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver 10 bags of 5 kilos rice for the total of 50 kilo sacks. Okay, and that will be distributed to the volunteer on last Sunday. Okay, 10 person. Okay, and that is from Maayong Buntag Nim.
Maayong buntag ni. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay.
For the rice.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Arlene.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
So, I'm here to deliver 8 sacks of 5 kilos rice for the volunteers on Sunday event.
Yes.
Last Sunday event. Okay. And that is from Maayong Buntag Nim.
Maayong buntag ni. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida for the rise of the volunteer last Sunday event.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. Good afternoon.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, we are here because Maayong Buntag Nim give us 5 kilos of rice for you as a volunteer last Sunday event. So, each one of you, please get 1 sack of rice, 5 kilos, para kukuha ninyo. Ryan, Norly, Mother Esther, Zach Mother, Sanya Mother, and Teacher Mildred. And that is from, and that the remaining 2 is for me and Honey. Since Honey is not here, I will receive na lang. So, that is from Maayong Buntag Nim.
Maayong buntag ni. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida, Maayong Buntag Nim. Bye!
Annyeonghaseyo. Eugenim. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida. Namay. Mama.
The egg. Ihujinim, kamsahamnida for the eggs. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Kamsahamnida.
Annyeonghaseyo, Han.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, since you're not here earlier, since you are at school pa, Maayong Buntag Nim give us 5 kilos of rice because you're one of the volunteer last Sunday event. So, that is from Maayong Buntag Nim.
Mayong buntag ni Kansamida.
Kamsamida. Bye. Are you okay? Okay.
안녕하세요. So, right now we changed the door lock of our study room because the door lock is broken. We can no longer use the key, so now we change it. I bought a new door lock. The amount of the door lock is 250. Tumaktan Korea channel. Kamsamnida.